Hi there, Sitecore enthusiasts, and welcome to the next episode of Friday Sitecore Best Practices. My name is Vasily Fomichev, and I'm a Sitecore Technology MVP. In today's quick video, I'd like to show you a very cool tip on how to deal with complex content structures. If you're a content author or developer, when you constantly have to navigate to certain locations deep in the content structure, which will save you a little bit of a headache. Here's what I'm talking about. Let's say you're a content author working for a large company that has one large or multiple websites with complex content structures with several levels of folders in the media library, several layers of content items in the content tree. However, you're only responsible for editing a small portion of that content. Now, you may or may not have access to the entire content tree. However, every time you make an edit, you pull up the content editor if you're using the content editor and not the experience editor, and you have to navigate to that location by browsing the folder structure every single time. Now, if you're doing edits frequently, that can get old pretty quickly, especially I see that happening a lot with developers where they have to browse to certain content locations, especially if they're currently developing something for that item. Now, what Sitecore does is it provides a really neat little feature, which I don't think a lot of people know about, called shortcuts. So we can actually create shortcuts on the desktop to take us directly to the location that we specify. Just like in Windows, right-click on the desktop, click Create Shortcut, and then click the browser button on the link. Choose the item that you'd like to go to. Let's say we'd like to go to Connector. Hit Insert. Let's go with My Connector. Okay. The default icon is a simple arrow, pretty meaningless. Let's see if we can pick something more fun for the demo. Okay, let's do lightning. That one stood out. And just hit OK. And there we go. So now we have a shortcut. So the next time I need to get to the connector folder, all I need to do is just double click the shortcut, and it opens the content editor pointing directly to that folder, so I don't have to browse through multiple levels of folders to get to it. Very quick and easy. So hopefully you like this tip. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more tips like this, check out sameasbestpractices.com. And I will see you next Friday. Over and out.